Oh, Sha, look at the little puppy. What kind of dog is that? Give him a little kiss. Give him a little, oh shit! Oh my! Oh my! You son of a bitch!
A very romantic birthday gift.
Olympic Games.
On your mark. Get set.
At which he won 14 gold medals.
Step up here on this chair and close your eyes. Alright, and then everybody fill in, and we're going to ask you to fall, and then they will catch you. So you have to trust us. So I'm going to count to 3, just relax and fall. Okay? 1, 2, 3. No, wait, no!
Don't do this!
No, fuck you, I would do this!
You don't have to do this!
Fuck you, I would do this! Fuck you, Dolly, motherfucker! No, don't do this!
So here we have a Velcro pouch, and this is the sound that gives you away in the tactical situation. And so he taught me a method of opening the Velcro so that if you do it right, no one will hear the Velcro. Okay, and it's real fast. And so the Velcro, I've got it on as best as I can get it on, and this is what he taught me. Ah!
Bomb has been planted.
Hello? Hello? Who's here?
Alright, let's check out this video. Oh, it's Bulbasaur! That's nice. Wait, what are you doing? What in the what the?
I'm close to my father when he died, which was lucky. He died to a landmine.
Oh. A lot of things changed since I got my girlfriend pregnant.
Like what?
My name, my address, my phone number.
What do you call a terrorist in a wheelchair?
What?
An RCXD.
I got a joke.
Yeah?
So, you walk into a bar, and there's just a line of people waiting to punch you in the face.
Oh my god.
Yeah, that's the punchline.
Oh!
Punchline.
Oh my god, your ass is so huge. The fuck?
What's up? How are you?
I'm really good. Wait, are you a girl or a guy?
Of course I am. What the hell?
Okay, because you have like huge tits, so I just have to see that.
Oh yeah.
Does this mean I get to make a Krabby Patty now?
No, you can't make a Krabby Patty without understanding the phrase, what the dog?
5 Whoppers and 5 more Whoppers.
Cat's over here. Let's see how long before it takes them to make this his new house.
Why are you laughing for? What, Chris, why are you laughing for? Why are you laughing for? I'm being serious. No, you see, I'm talking facts here. I don't do if, buts and maybes. I do absolutes. And, you know, like, if your aunt had balls, she'd be your uncle. But she doesn't, so she's not. Do you know what I'm trying to say?
Cute. How cute.
What the fuck do you think you're doing?
Ah, what a long day. Can't wait to take a shower in my brand new apartment.
My body just asked for water and I gave it a mini donut because nobody tells me what to do.
Is that funny, Ben? Tell me.
Okay, Kelly, okay.
Let's take a look. So, fake throw. Look at this. The hidden ball trick by Ryan Goins. Wow.
Whoa.
Oh!
Ray Allen says, excuse me, I'm just going to chill for a second till you fly by.
Saves North Bend, ladies and gentlemen.
How good is this?
That's a tank.
Netherite ingots. Yes, sir! Oh my.
I know the power of patriarchy. I know what men can do when they're angry.
You drunk all the fucking milk, man. Give me my goddamn milk back. Give me my milk.
A little difficult. Managed to make it.
Literally the dark side.
I don't remember any stories of Santa needing a sledgehammer. But this Santa isn't going out on his traditional Christmas gift run. He and his elf are actually law enforcement officers with the National Police in Peru, headed to bust suspected drug dealers in Lima.
Boy, what the f... Oh, nah, bro. This... Bro, what the...
Bob, there you are. Dude, we've been looking for you everywhere, dude. Dude, it's 2 in the morning.
Hey, look to your